If you need to disable two-factor authentication on Cash App, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account settings option, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down to find the security or privacy section within the account settings. This is where you can manage your security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to turn it off. You may be prompted to enter your password or verification code to confirm this change. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure that you receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that the setting has been successfully updated. Make sure to review your account security regularly and consider the implications of disabling two-factor authentication.